Oh, we're live. I didn't realize that. Okay, so I was just getting started. I was getting started with the editing
दोस्तों मैं
of this. Um, so today we're building something new. We're not confined to trading. Just because I'm a little disillusioned right now with trading, but whatever. Anyway, I think I wanted to start by saying something about AI products, especially these commercial AI products, since they're very stupid. So, just a second. This is a very clear example of what I'm saying because this is Opus Clip, and it's a pretty interesting product. It has a lot of value. It gives you, all of these clips from a larger video. But they have a very big problem, which is every month I get 60 credits for free. And then I wanted to see how much it would cost to, you know, upgrade to the pro features. And it costs 15 euros a month for 150 credits, which is nothing. Um, so I'm not getting that much value because I have 60 for free. All you're doing is giving me a little more for 15 euros a month. I get that the most important thing is that you remove the watermark and stuff, but the main problem with pretty much any AI SaaS right now is that it's expensive. It's very expensive, especially when it comes to video. But simply you don't get enough credits. And the only way they give you like a okay amount of credits if they lock you in with a yearly thing. But I'm pretty sure that with Cursor you can build a clone of this in 10 minutes. And with the API pricing, you'd spend maybe 5 euros in a year. So there is no moat. All of these apps can be replicated in a matter of seconds, and they're expensive. The main thing that, like, I think that for 15 euros a month, I would want infinite credits. I need infinite generations. And the moment there are either open source models that are good enough, which I think already there is, or proprietary models, I think that this kind of pricing makes no sense. And this is the first thing that's going to go from all of SaaS. Users are not meant to pay this much for software. Software is very cheap. It's a very cheap fulfilling that you're doing. So the markups here are crazy. And I think that with Cursor especially, and with language models being able to code pretty much these simple apps very, very quickly and easily, the only mode will be cheap prices. And I think that we're very close to that. And I think that if you're developing a SaaS right now, this is the main thing to take into account. You have to lower the prices. Anyway, I was using Opus Clips to get some clips for my live streams. So, uh, yeah, I mean, it's done a pretty excellent job, I have to say. And I was not expecting this. It was also like pretty quick. So, that's nice. Anyway, I was building a similar thing, but instead of taking clips from existing footage, what I wanted to do was add footage to existing audio. Because this way, you can make a lot of stuff. So we have a sort of prototype. It's working, I think. I'm not fully sure. I don't remember fully. Um, Prima luci di Natale. What the fuck? Yeah, yesterday I was playing around with the data leak on like the real world, and I mean there's a lot of emails there. There's a lot of emails. I don't get why. Like, anyway, we'll just leave it at that. Okay, so what we. I think this is it. So we're gonna run this. Okay, here it is. And so over here you would upload a audio file. And oh, these clips are awful. So for these tests, I use 11 labs just to see what can come out of this. I think that at the end of the day, what we really need to do is sort of edit the audio because the video can take care of it like itself, pretty much. If I'm being honest, you could ideally even um, fix like the audio editing part, but yeah, I'm not fully sure. Anyway, let's do. I read a short essay on why you should not be day trading. Day trading. Make it more personal. Talk directly to the reader. Day trading sounds exciting. The idea of making quick money, calling the right shots, and outsmarting the market is tempting. Maybe you've seen stories of people turning small investments into big profits in just a few days, but the reality is, for most people, day trading is a fast track to lose money, not make money. Yeah. Fuck. Okay, we're gonna use this grandpa. I really like this voice, to be honest. Low
Day
credits.
trading sounds exciting. The idea of making quick money, calling the right shots, and outsmarting the market is tempting. Maybe you've seen stories of people turning small investments into big profits in just a few days. But here's the reality. For most people, day trading is a fast track to losing money, not making it. First off, it's incredibly risky. The stock market moves fast, and prices fluctuate for reasons no one can predict. Even professional traders with years of experience lose money. Unlike long term investing, where your money has time to grow, day trading is like gambling. You're betting on short term movements that you can't control. Then there's the time and stress. If you want to be a successful day trader, you can't just check your phone a few times a day. Money has to win. You need to spend hours glued to screens, studying charts, watching trends, and making split second decisions. And even if you do everything right, you can still lose. The pressure is exhausting, and most people don't have the time or energy for it. And let's talk about costs. Every trade you make comes with fees. These transaction costs add up fast and can eat into any potential profits. On top of that, short term capital gains taxes are higher than long term investment taxes, meaning even if you make money, you're giving a bigger chunk of it away. The truth is, slow and steady wins the race when it comes to building wealth. Long term investing, buying strong assets and letting them grow over time, is a proven way to make money without the stress and risk of day trading. Instead of chasing quick wins, focus on smart, steady investing. Your future self will thank you.
That's right. You should just give time to your money to work for you. You know, you have money. No, you can wait. It's a, you know, it's like playing poker. Can you do it? Yeah. Can you can you make like reliably money off of it? I don't know. You can get lucky sometimes, a few times. You can have the odds in your favor, yeah. But at the end of the day, like the people really winning off of this are just the brokers. Like they're the ones actually making the money. There's no way around this. You either have a lot of money, and so you can take uh, kinds of positions that you, like a normal person, wouldn't have the possibility to do, or you're fucked. The only way you can make money as a retail investor is not by trading, but by investing. There's no way you're gonna day trade your way into wealth, or at least that's a very, very exceptional thing. The stats prove it, I'm pretty sure. Anyway, we have this audio file now, so we can try building something. Oops. Sentindo soltanto sotto il peso dell'anello. Non me ne fregava niente di Pitagora ed Euclide, che fuggivano via dalle fine I think that live streaming is, if you have a business, like much better than any other way to grow, simply because you can actually provide value. Like you can actually speak to somebody. You can actually, um, do something about whatever it is that you're trying to do. This is a very clear example of what I'm saying because this is Opus Clip, and it's a pretty interesting product. Imparato come stare al mondo. Non mi frega niente. Anyway, back we are. I was just doing some admin tasks on my YouTube channel. So let me just get rid of all of this. Okay. So we have an audio file now with all of this. Let's see how good all of this is. So we'll transcribe this. It takes a moment. And then from this, what we get is okay. So I'm just vibe coding this, by the way. And this here comes up after the I mean, I just think that the whole AI chatbot thing right here is not necessarily the best. Because this is not a chat like this is not a chat like thing that we're building. Okay, let's see. So I'm just being carried by Cursor right now. But when I coded this, it was with Claude 3.5 Sonnet. And since 3.7 has come out, so maybe, hopefully, we can get something out of this. Anyway, so I think there are a few changes to make in the front end. There is no need for a chat-like interface. Just have an upload button where the user can upload their audio or video file. Then have a more colorful so we're gonna apply this, apply this. Okay, let's see. So now it restarted, I'm pretty sure. I'll just restart it myself too, so Python 3 app.py. The point is, this thing right here Okay, let's see. So this app is sort of a experiment, but also like a pretty big thing, if you ask me. I think that simply like one of the most powerful things that AI can do right now is having access to a bunch of like different data sources. So, say for example, I wonder if Grok can do it already. So I'll try this. Maybe with deep search it can, but Google. Oh, it's done? We'll just apply all. Accept all. No worries. No worries. Okay. I like this. Okay. Dope. My mojo's so dope. Yeah. My mojo's so dope, bitch. So there's this big issue. There's a big issue with the responses I'm getting from Gemini. And they are incompatible with the length of the audio that is being uploaded. Assembly AI has a audio length property which I think should be passed along to the model in order to get an accurate response. Add to the system prompt the length, length of the audio, so that it knows, you know, how long the script should be. Oh, wait a second. Also, I don't like the loading bar. Could the loading bar use the stroke of the upload button as its rails? And that would look so much better. Finally, instead of displaying the text from the response from Gemini as a single text, since it is a list, can you display the results in a sort of grid for columns, for elements per column, with an indication of how they're moving left to right. I just always am very polite with Claude because, you know, it writes my code, so you have to be polite. Anyway, while this goes on, I'll just apply all, like, I don't care. Can you access it? Oh, wait a second. It's crazy to me how these kinds of experiments and these kinds of data measures only go on in poor countries. Like, bro, they came and like fucking mapped your home. That's crazy. Oh, and now they have articles
How we use AI to build our newest open
being read by AI. Wow.
tech buildings on high.
I mean, the nice thing is, you can have a lot of. Today it's very fast. Okay, we're gonna start over again. So I really fucking like this box. Okay, so this is not exactly what I was expecting, but nonetheless, it's something. I mean, I've never seen anything like this, to be honest. I think that this will be just my internal tool. Do I know? Okay, awesome. This is awesome. 13.
Day trading sounds exciting. The idea of making quick money calling the right day trading sounds exciting.
Yeah, I believe this is right. So, yeah, dope. This is awesome. I'll just have the this is what the results look like. Can you change this to display 4 items per line so that the so the screen space is better used. Thanks. Actually, I'll just I think also, can you make these boxes editable? Like, if I want to change something, can I just click on it and have the backend update the list with what I have inserted? Also, add a reset button on each of these boxes that regenerates that specific. Nah, that's okay. Let's see. Bitch, my mojo's so dope. Yeah, we live it. Yeah, we own it, own it. You give a fuck about your lifestyle. Yesterday I was watching this movie, Ship of Theseus. I got to like 30 something minutes. I have to say the first few, uh, it was not bad. It wasn't a bad movie at all. But like the problem is, I couldn't. Okay. Yeah, this whole setup is kind of flawed. Nice. Yeah, we live this shit. Give a fuck about your lifestyle. Give a fuck about a motherfucking lifestyle. Anyway, I think that like, if I'm being honest, coding was a lot more fun when it was less fun. Like, coding nowadays feels like you're in the hands of an AI model and that's it. Like, you can't fucking do anything. You're just too slow in comparison. And so the writing code itself has much less value. The sort of idea and like the systems thinking uh, and all of that makes sense and is fun and is valuable, but I mean all of this, like, this is not how I would structure a fucking project. I think that though, as long as it works. What is going on? So did this restart? I think that what I really want is what the fuck? Yo. Okay, so for some reason it fucking broke everything. Yo. Fuck you. This is the main problem with vibe coding, that everything fucking breaks all the time. And I mean, coding is just a gay job. It's. I'll restore this checkpoint. So that hopefully we can. Today it's surprisingly fast. I don't know if it's because it's Sunday and so less people may be building stuff. I don't know. Anyway, I feel like so many people just code. Why the fuck do I have no authorization to fucking access my fucking local server? Yo, what the fuck?
जी हर्षमल पढ़ रहा है हर्षमल हेलो कर रहा है आंटी है
Hello.
ये किचन है इधर से क्यों बाहर जाते हो
Why the fuck can I not access my own fucking thing? Nah, bro, you're fucking gay.
वाह वो दूसरी वीडियो आ रही है फिर हाथ नहीं दिख रहा है
Okay, I'm fucking done with this. Yo. Oh my fucking god. You know what? Like, I fucking hate having hundreds of files and all of this shit. I hate web apps. I hate all of this. I'm so fucking pissed. Oh my god. This is so fucking messed up. Why? Actually, we'll go back to this. Why am I not allowed on my own fucking server? What the fuck this?
जब तो मौसम अच्छा हो फिर तो ठीक है जब मौसम गंदा है फिर कोई रख लो साथ में
Why do I not have authorization to view my local server?
आपका थोड़ा ऊंचा नीचा है ना तो पिछली बार ना आशा मुझे अपनी एक फ्रेंड के घर लेके गई हम दोनों चल के गई वो दूसरे गांव में था पता नहीं एंड के गांव में तो वो इतना था कि मुझे तो डर लगे मैंने कहा आज पहली बार मैंने नहीं जाना साथ में मुझे डर लगता है क्योंकि हमारे इधर जब घाट में जैसे कोई काम करना होता है तो बड़े बड़े फूल डाल देते हैं तो फिर ऐसे निकलते हैं अच्छा तो सेब के लिए कभी बड़ी अच्छा वो ऐसे रंग का किया हुआ है नीचे सफेद वाला
Let's see what happens.
तेरा क्या नाम है बच्चे अभी अच्छा वेरी गुड
Okay, so the generation now is complete. If I'm being honest, I don't know why I'm being shown this now, and I wasn't before. But it is what it is, I guess. So now let's see what goes on now. I think that there should be a separate page for when I believe there should be a separate page for the post generation workflow. This should show what's been generated and in a storyboard kind of way. In a table with 4 images at a time. Also, it should show the time codes at which those images will be displayed, and if clicked, it should show
ਬਣਿਆ ਕੀ ਬਣਿਆ
ਕਿੱਥੇ
ਮੈਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਬਣਾਇਆ ਕੀ
ਸਾਗ ਬਣਿਆ
ਅੱਛਾ ਫੇਰ ਤਾਂ
ਸਾਗ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਰੋਟੀ ਮੈਂ ਤਾਂ ਛੋਲ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਘੱਟਦਾ ਨਾ ਜਿਆਦਾ ਸਾਗ ਉਹ ਕੋਈ ਛੋਲੇ ਨਾਲ ਨੇ
ਅਰੇ ਮੱਥੇ ਤੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਤਾਂ
4-5 ਕਰ ਲਓ ਸਾਗ ਦੀ ਜੇ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੂੰ ਪਾਣੀ
ਸੰਤਰਾ ਕਿਹੜਾ
ਮੇਰਾ ਹੀ ਹੈ ਖਾਣਾ
let's see how this works. Hopefully it does work. And if it does, like the kind of stuff that you can just bring out from this is not bad. However, there is another thing that I wanted to build, and that was like a simple editor that just takes, like, you upload the images and it just does what you ask it to do. So yeah, that's something that I'm working on next, like just as I like see what's gonna happen over here. There's a bunch of features that still need to be implemented in this. It's just when you're not the one that does the coding, it's pretty easy to lose sight of what is going on actually. So yeah, so even now, this whole thing is kind of not the best. Anyway, I think that like this idea is not bad. I think that if you can make the image generation like reliable and everything, like this can be like a very interesting thing. But for now, what most AI generated YouTube channels have done is they just add subtitles and a generic background, so that pretty much all that is left to do is just generate the audio. Like that's it. It just generates the audio and generates the captions. I think that, yeah, so this product absolutely needs the captions generator, and it also absolutely needs a more wise way of generating images, because right now it's extremely slow. So I'll just also also, is there a way to make the whole generation quicker? Leonardo's API allows for 10 concurrent jobs. Can you batch the requests made so that the whole generation can be quicker?
क्या
And then I'll just thank him again. I really love Claude, to be honest. It's just, I think that he's not enough by himself. Like, if I make some spaghetti code and then I hire someone on Fiverr and give him like $300, that's a product that can work. And I think that, like, at the end of the day, the main like difficulty with with launching a SaaS is not the SaaS itself. There is no moat. Everything can be built like pretty quickly and pretty easily, especially now with AI. It's just the main difficulty is, first of all, designing the whole system that is meant to keep everything up, and second, it's the marketing. Like, why should people pay for software when they also can create it with AI? That's the fun part. Like, I think that software, though, is inevitably going to see its pricing going down dramatically. There is no way around this. This is the invention of fertilizer. If before it took months to build a product, now you can build it in a few weeks, a few days even. Like, I think that in 10 days you can build and launch 4 SaaS. You need 2.5 days to launch a SaaS. Like the product itself, the core product. the MVP. The thing that still takes up quite a lot of time is the marketing and the distribution. That is fucking difficult. Getting the pricing, getting like it's a whole mess. But the pool of competitors has gotten so big now because anybody can like challenge you. There can be a guy in the Philippines, a little kid in the Philippines that has just learned English, and he is your competition. There is a 90-year-old grandpa in Japan, and he is your competition. Like anybody who can speak can compete with you. All they need is some sort of inspiration. That's all they need. But yeah, I mean, if I'm being honest, the life of a SaaS builder is a rather pathetic one. Like, that's not the way you would want to live. It's disgusting, to be honest. Especially now. It's a extremely uncertain sort of environment right now. You never know what could go wrong, and you know it's a bunch of problems that stockpile on one another. I think that the only way to like have an advantage is do something that most people don't do. And I don't know what that might be, to be honest. Like maybe it's live streaming, maybe it's honestly I don't know. I don't know what could be. I don't know, man. I think anyway that this sort of product, like first of all I need to make it like much quicker, much faster. It's very slow right now. And secondly, I think that I mean, am I gonna sell this realistically? Unless I have a lot of distribution, no. And I mean, I don't know, man. But it's just like everybody makes videos nowadays. And who wants to watch AI videos? So I think that this is just a tool to make to let like this is sort of a shovel. It's sort of in the territory of competition with Opus Clips, Creo.ai, and all of those kinds of products. But yeah, I mean, it's not easy, it's not simple, and it's a bit of a mess, I would say.
ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਸ਼ਾਪਿੰਗ ਕਰਾ ਲਿਆ ਮੈਂ ਉੱਥੋਂ ਜਾ ਕੇ
Oh, are we done?
ਚੱਲੀਏ
Oh, here it is. Awesome. Okay, this is a absolute mess. These images are ass. Okay, so I think that simply, yeah, there should be no, like, the text overlays should be dealt with separately. But yeah, this works. Let no one train me. At the end of the day, you can't regret it if you were trained. That's dope, to be honest. This is awesome. No, yeah, no, yeah. No, yeah, no, yeah. Okay, let's see if all of this can be made into something that works. Yeah, I'll just change this. And then this Gemini, where's the system prompt?
Faccio lo chiudo, mi perché?
And you won't break me. At the end of the day, you came out of a lion. Yeah. I told you. At the end of the day, you came. If you were trying. If you were trying. I mean, this has been a fucking I don't know what the system prompt is, to be honest. What the hell is the system prompt? Alright, maybe it's chat. Okay. Good weeds guaranteed. I told you, no one will lose you. At the end of the day. Bravo, bravo, va bene, va molto bene. Ok. See you here at the end of the day. If you were trying. Yeah. Okay. Bravo, bravo Monza, bravo! Non è male! Non è male il Monza, non è male! Anyway, you know, the main issue with all of this is that it's kinda slow. But yeah. Okay, I like this. I like this. This looks so much better than it did before. I don't know why. Like, what the hell is this? I mean, let's just see if it works though. Floris, bravo Floris. c'era il porta del Milan?
Luca lo con questo dice.
Ah.
Luca.
La forza lui, Joe Felix la tocca dentro per Abram allarga per Raffaeleao in buca, entra,
Yes.
ragazzi è entrata la palla,
Cioè, aspetta un po' la porta vuota, ma...
Oh, so yeah, it's much faster now. It's much faster. Like so much faster. It took like so much more earlier. Yeah, dope. Let's see if this works. Hopefully it does. Creating video. If this works. Bravo Milan, bravo! Sei stato bravissimo! All'esame di maturità. Let's see. Because if this works, we are in a great position with this. And I mean, the kind of stuff that then can be built on top is like the reason I started this. Like, I think that this creating video function shouldn't just piece the things together. It should also add like some sort of transitions and stuff like that. So yeah, this AI video editor is actually not bad. Now, it's sort of expensive to operate, but we have a final video.
How far did Dubov's preparation go? And how did he completely dismantle a speed demon like Hikaru Nakamura? Hikaru Nakamura, 5-time US champion, speed chess legend, one of the trickiest and most
Yeah, this is a
players in Rapid Blitz.
strong
Dubov,
issue.
Rising Russian star, known for creative and aggressive play. He later became a key second to Magnus Carlsen and a future world rapid champion. Nakamura thrives in chaos, but in this game, Dubov did not give him a chance. Little did Hikaru know, but by the time they had sat down, Dubov had already won the game. Let's break it down.
Okay, I think I'll tackle this later. So, I really like how this looks. I think that it still needs some fixing.
Daniel Dubov played in
But yeah.
the style of the great Nick.
We're at a somewhat good point. The app is working,
Pal. The game started with the English opening, called C4,
and it just needs a bit more.
Very quickly, bringing the pawn out before black can land.
It needs a bit more
Those of you wondering
work.
what this might be,
But
Dubov had started, for example, with D4
I mean, it's easy to just add a reset.
to make his favorite
Okay, I think that
Indian defense.
really
All about black bringing out this bishop and pinning the white knight. White therefore unable.
I don't get why it fucking stopped at 29 seconds though. But it's much quicker now. It's.
Was Dubov who before the bishop
Let me just see if I can fix this. Because I'm also running late. Like I'm running low on battery on my phone, so that may go fuck itself. But there is a problem with the generated video. What I see in the web app is simply an empty video. Even if I try to download it, there's nothing. The file itself is totally empty. Can you look into this? I believe the problem arises from the fact no images being saved at all locally. So this creates a this route is being used with no assets to work on. Can you look into it and make sure the images are correctly concatenated and added on top of the uploaded audio? Let no one break me. Okay, I think that we're gonna try this again. I think that there have been some extremely substantial improvements. Most importantly, what happened is that this is so much quicker now. It used to be extremely slow, but now it's a very quick thing. So that's dope. And we'll just see what happens, what goes on, what. Try again. Yeah, my cursor has this little big problem of connectivity. Like it tends to. Let me just see how many. So my goal is to stop coding once I'm done with with this month of Cursor. I've already used 88 calls, which is like last month I used 200, and now we're 2 days into the month, and I've used 88 already. It's just I fucking hate coding. Like it's every time that I code, I realize how much I don't like it. I just know that it's it gives you infinite scale. That's the main thing that comes out of this.
He simply chills. He just takes a pawn. Who needs a queen when you can take a pawn, right? Knight takes pawn here, and he's keeping the black king cage. Note how the knight controls an escape square. So again, if the black queen moves, this would have been a checkmate. This time, on the back rank, the king would have been caught. Nakamura, instead, perhaps should have tried to throw a spanner in the works, deflect Dubov's queen away by pushing his pawn forward. Pawn to c2 here, getting closer to promotion might have been the best card for Nakamura. The whole idea after rotating queen is not to promote and make a new queen.
Yeah.
This would have been a check.
I mean, the kind of things that you can build right now
And again, there's the
are
the queen hanging and a problem on the
unbelievable,
back.
to
This
be
would have been
honest.
winning for white. But,
So
instead,
we're gonna
Nakamura
add this.
simply recaptured the rook. And now
We're gonna
there are
fix
threats.
this.
Knight's hanging and promotion on the next go. This would have
We're
been
gonna fix
anyone
this.
get 3 results possible.
We're gonna
Instead,
fix
go
this.
back. Nakamura brought his bishop out. This is 20 moves in now. Dubov had not paused for 1 second.
But we is
Everything
guaranteed.
instantly. Nakamura must have been
I
crumbling
told
inside
you,
quickly.
no,
Still
no.
playing great moves. This time giving up his queen, which was finally captured.
At the
And
end of
after
the
a check,
day,
the black king
you
steps forward.
can.
This is 22 moves in now, and this is the first moment that Dubov
Okay,
really
so
paused.
I think that now it should
Around
work.
30 seconds here, he landed a check on Nakamura's king. Imagine being in Nakamura's shoes here. It's just
So let's do it again.
check, threat after threat.
Um,
Every single check. Barely a moment to pause. No time to recompose himself or chill. The stress on his face was visible. Nakamura
There's no time to chill, guys.
when he replied to this move.
You have to study.
By blocking with his
You have to,
a queen check now. And the
Why
king
are you not reading a
doesn't
book,
have too many
guys?
safe squares to go to. If it
Why
moves
are you
to
not
the
reading a
right,
book?
this would allow a nasty check.
Figa, mi fa malissimo cioè stamattina ho fatto
Also grab this
da
pawn.
freddo,
Double attack on two black
delle
If he's got
delle
that,
ghiattate,
he walked into the firing
delle
line with
ghiazioni,
this bishop again, and now the white
delle
black
ghiazioni.
discover check and a win of
E
this
figa,
Nakamura forced
adesso mi fanno veramente malissimo le spalle.
This is not halal.
Okay. Let's see how this
Un
goes.
albanese che vive in Macedonia che è musulmano. Stavo sembrando.
Ah, vabbè, sì, gli albanesi montenegrini spesso, guarda che sono bravi, Sono bravi,
Di più no.
Okay, so let's see. How are the images being dealt with? So, improved image downloading. We now properly download and verify images using, okay. Dope. My mojo's so dope. Bitch, my mojo's so dope. Yeah. Oh no, fuck. I called it too early. But yeah, it's not a bad video. Honestly. Give a fuck about a motherfucking lifestyle. Yeah, we live this shit. I thought it was done. I clicked too early, I guess. I want to just have a fucking video come out of this. Okay, this gave an error. Let's see if by redoing it something can be fixed. It still doesn't properly play at the end of it. But let's see. File wasn't available on site. I don't get why. I honestly don't get why. Yeah, we live this shit. Okay, so this broke. But let's see if this works. $200. Yeah, should work. No, it broke. It fucking broke. Why did it break? Give a fuck about your lifestyle. Give a fuck about a motherfucking lifestyle. Yeah, we live this shit. Give a fuck about your lifestyle. Give a fuck about a motherfucking lifestyle. Yeah, we live this shit. I tried this. And the images are correctly generated. But the creation of the video and
Give up material. You might have to throw his knight in the way with the block.
the
His
download
knight now
are not
walked into a pin, a sell pin.
correctly being
Therefore, winning this knight on the next move.
tackled.
And finally, on move 25, Dubois with 23 minutes left. Nakamura with
Make sure
was the moment that
the video is correctly
unable to keep the pace,
generated by
accuracy that was required.
adding the images one after the other.
This would have been incredible
And then
for myself. This one might have forced me to record
displaying it on screen.
because Portuguese 2 is supported by an incredible
Also,
idea. It
make
is
sure the
by
user
moving up the knight.
sees
Now a trade
updates
a whole bishop ahead.
on the status of the video creation.
So the black king open, vulnerable, but now it's all
And right now,
one square away from touchdown. The queen
you
currently
just click
the promoted square.
the button
But Nakamura, if he had more time, it is
and wait. Add some sort of loading bar that allows the user to see what's going on.
would have actually lost the Dubois. A capture now, and suddenly this pawn cannot really be stopped. You have to throw your queen in the way to block it. Pawn now protected by its rook. And dropping the queen would paralyze was this one. Rook to d8. I'm going to say we can't blame Nakamura here.
Okay, let's see. So, I mean, still, this version of the app is so much better than it was before. The next thing to add is captions, and we'll see for that. But yeah, I mean, this app, it took me a long time to build it. It's just cursor is a superpower. It's unbelievable how good this is. Give a fuck about a motherfucking lifestyle. Yeah. Ai, forte, bravo, allora, ma sei forte, va bene. Ma bravo è forte. Ma bravo.
If you do capture this pawn, the white queen would come back, and we would have been king court on the edge of the board.
Bravo per il
In a non-stoppable way, instead Nakamura decided
चलिए कितने बोले
because king is on the edge.
चलिए कितने बोले फिर दसो
Bravo, bravo.
There's not much to do here if you ignore the threat. And this would have ended in checkmate the white queen. When the drop on her own here, supported by a humble pawn. Instead, which people by Nakamura. The white king simply stepping forward. How calm, how cool is that from Dubov? And pawn c2, again, ignored. Simply captured. The threat here of
Yeah, we live this shit.
ये मेरा प्लॉट लैंड बहुत दिल करता है
Bravo, bravo.
कितना महंगा हो चुका है मैं साल बाद जाके लेना काफी घट पेगा
Sì.
losing on time while playing.
Ma va bene, non è male.
कितने भी हो
Give a fuck about a motherfucking lifestyle. I mean, I think that this kind of app is great, mainly because,
When I first saw this game live,
like,
watching the live feed, watching the players
गुरु फतेह टाउन चंडीगढ़ यूनिवर्सिटी ਦੇ ਕੋਲ ਹੈ 21 ਲੱਖ ਦਾ ਫਲੈਟ ਹੈ ਦੂਸਰਾ 21 ਲੱਖ ਦਾ ਪਲਾਟ ਮਿਲਦਾ ਹੈ
ma va bene, bravo, bravo.
sacrifice there.
Give a fuck about a motherfucking lifestyle.
Remember Musamar Palhara? He was the scariest guy of all time because he was all like rock. He was built like a tank. He was like 185 pounds, just a ball of muscle. He would die.
Let's see.
His legs and he would rip them apart.
Hopefully it works now.
He got ever get kicked out of UFC. He was holding submission.
Please.
Punched him in the face after their fight because he got a hold of the Kimura, Jake tapped, and he still kept fighting. You want to see a highlight that makes you cringe? That was with John Fish. He gets this knee bar. This knee bar is awful. He's tapping and he's still cranking. Still cranking.
Was he the dirtiest UFC?
ਜਿੱਦਿਆ ਜੰਨੂ ਹੁਣ ਨਾ ਆਪਣੀਆਂ ਗਾਈਆਂ ਤੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਕੋ ਦੋ ਗਾਈਆਂ ਆ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਕੋ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਲਈ ਘਾ ਲੈਣੀ ਸੀ
Cold. Cold for Okay, let's see. Has it generated everything? Yeah. Why is this guy back to generating like this awful stuff? Okay, this is. I should have read this. Anyway, I have to add a like reset button. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Cioè il tono non va bene perché è troppo grassi, che poi andrebbe scocciato, ma vabbè. Invece il testosterone è tutta salute, queste cose non fa impazzire.
Let's see. I think that, sometimes Gemini gets lazy and decides that the second half of the video, you know what, we're not gonna do anything with it, and so just gets rid of it. I don't know.
Look at me. I am a very blessed man. I'm very blessed. I'm spiritually, physically, and financially. I've had more people.
Let's see. Quanto hanno fatto?
आज मैं थोड़ा अचार लूँगा मैं तो ज़्यादा ही पै गया
ये जब ज़ीरो पर चलते हैं तो
ਕੱਢ ਦੋ ਮਨੀ ਕੱਢ ਦੋ
नहीं करना दो
ਹੱਥ ਨਾਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੱਢ ਸਕਦਾ
Ma giocava a And there's way too many errors to fix. So